Alright, so here's the stock horn. Kind of wimpy. Alright, so just to test, I plugged everything up on the outside just to make sure everything works. And definitely works. Now to get it put in, I'm just going to run it underneath here without having to take everything off. Just run the wiring right under this, and this will be mounted right where the horn is now, as long as this thing fits under there. So, the way this goes is obviously your black is negative, and your red is the positive, which red has the inline fuse here, which I believe is a 30. Your red, on your little relay here, your red goes to the 30, your positive. Your old horn wires, which I've got ran here going to the old horn. Old horn goes to 85 and 86, which is on either side here, the blue ones. And then out is your 87, which is going to the new horn here. And then that black is going to your ground negative there. And it's that simple. Just gonna run these lines right under here and install it right there where the stock horn is. Sounds easy enough. Alright, so the wiring harness is ran under here, comes into the front here. I ended up not being able to fit the horn. I don't know if you can see, but it wouldn't go where it came from originally because of the way the bracket was. So it's actually under this fairing here. There's my flashlight. So it's actually under that fairing. Just tucked in there. And let's see how well she works. Alright, so 'tis operational. And that's it. And by the way, this is for a Tornado, or there are a couple of different brands, but Tornado's the one I bought. And then instead of making my own wiring harness, I actually bought a universal plug and play on Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. Horn was like 40 or something like that. But yeah, that was easy. It only took a couple of hours because I'm a little special and couldn't find the right tools to do the right job. But that's it. Air horn on a Ninja 400.